Hi everybody, and welcome back in another tutorial. This tutorial is an edging borders tutorial as well, and today we're going to see the simplest stitch and the most beautiful stitch, very used, the shell stitch. It's important, remember the multiples on which we're going to work, so you can adapt your the stitch, so you can adapt the stitch to your work. So today we're going to work in a multiple of 6 plus 5, and for this tutorial I'm going to make a foundation chain of 23 chains and 23, and now we're going to add another one stitch, another one chain, because we're going to make the 2 rows of made by the single crochet stitch. So we insert the hook into the second chain and we make a single crochet, and in each chain we're going to crochet a single crochet stitch throughout the row. And this is the first row, so we're going to make a chain and turn and crochet the second row of single crochets. This is the second row. Now we're going to make the main stitch, the shell stitch. So we crochet 1 chain and we make a single crochet at the beginning. We skip 2 chains. In the third we make 5 double crochets, which is a shell stitch. To skip 2 more stitches, and into the third we're going to crochet 1 single crochet and then skip 2 stitches into the third, crochet shell stitch. That means 5 double crochets in the same stitch. Then again skip 2 stitches into the third, we're going to crochet a single crochet, and then again skip 2 stitches into the third, make 5 double crochets, which is a shell stitch. And we're going to finish our edging by making a single crochet, and that's it. This is the shell stitch borders and edging. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.